Thank you for spending some of your time with me. I thought I'd show these lovely birds, the lovebirds. They're so sweet. How old are they?
Oh my God, I think they're like 8 years now.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Babies.
I know, I remember. I just love them.
They're losing their hair, like their feathers around the neck, and you can see their shoulder there.
How long can they live for?
Oh, they'll be around before, I'll be gone before they.
Oh yeah? They can live for
They can live like a long time.
20 years, 50 years? Really? But together, right? Together. Like if one, God forbid, passes on.
Yeah, that would be sad, really sad.
Oh yeah, absolutely. But I didn't know if that determines their lifespan.
They're the same age.
Yeah.
So.
And do you said periodically you'll let them out and they'll fly around? Yeah. Is that a daily?
Sensitive towards anything you bring in like strangers.
Yes, I know.
Right? They're sensitive towards.
Yeah.
Well, Paul bought his guitar. He came in with it. They go all the way up to the very top of the cage. They hide.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh,
Yeah.
gorgeous. Have a chirpy day from me to you.